Friends, today we are going to discuss that in nowadays many have the laptops. most of the um, people having laptops in their home, but which was not usable, or which was not using for a week, for a month. Okay, so to keep it functionality very well smoothly whenever there is the requirement, so for that, try to uh, on the laptop in a week, once in a week for a while, and just ran some mini commands like window, or whatever the prefetch is there, then that get search and delete all that with the help of the shift delete button. Okay, permanently delete all that uh, whatever the prefetch was there, uh, which was not accepting send, you can skip it. Okay, using the tab button and cancel it. Okay, and next command is windows are temporary file, prefetch file. Okay, these all files you can delete it and close it, so that it will try to help out your laptop smoothly during the um, during the working when you require. Okay, so and keep your laptop smooth and efficient. Okay, thank you.